So this idea of can you ever be friends with your ex, many people will have different views. Mine is straight up no, you can't. और उस पूरे initiative का पहला step होता है to block that person on fucking Instagram or social media in general, but especially Instagram. I'll tell you how. Stay tuned. This issue of whether you should block or not block your ex on Instagram, basically social media, and I feel like that's quite a relevant one. This is one thing which we have all faced. Like the only people who have not faced this issue is our parents and grandparents, because Instagram, this fucking thing did not exist back then. Do you really need to block them over? Is it really that necessary? This is the question that we will be dealing today. कि क्या सच में block कर देना ही एकमात्र solution है? As someone who is more attached to the place, the memories, like as a sensitive person, even if I move on from a person, it's almost impossible for me to really move on from the experiences and the places. For example, if I've dated someone in the past, so for example, it's very tough for me to go to that college again. Like you get my point? That place haunts me. Like the cafes that I might have visited with that person before, those places haunts me. So I feel like giving yourself an emotional trigger, it's not a healthy thing. क्यों खुद को इतना stress देना है? And similarly, when I see their presence on my social media, and it's something which we use a lot in our day-to-day lives. So if I see that person constantly appearing in my feed, that kind of fucks my brain, even if I have moved on. So see, Instagram ka algorithm, it works like this, that so if you're dating someone, it's quite obvious कि तुम उनकी stories ज़्यादा देखोगे, right? So the algorithm knows that you watch their stories more. So they will always put उनका story सबसे पहले. तो तुम जैसे ही Instagram खोलोगे, they will always see that their logo, that story का fucking logo is always there at the first. Because Instagram fucking knows that you want to see it. And because now you have broken up, probably Instagram has no clue like till now. So they'll continue to do so. So you will always end up looking that story, and that will fuck your brain. So I'll strongly recommend that Instagram specifically is good to block. Also Facebook, if someone uses it. I don't know who uses Facebook except my Fufaji and auntie now and my mummy. So fuck Facebook. So this idea of being friends with exes doesn't work with me. No matter what, because you have been romantically associated with that person in the past, for me it's impossible to unfuck that whole memory and to be a friend again. No, it's not. It always becomes awkward even if you have moved on a bit. So I feel like blocking them is a great idea. To those who do not block their exes and they feel like we'll probably keep it as a friendship and we are mature enough and we are grown-ups and all that, I understand from the place from where you come from. But here's my take. As I said, that chapter is closed in your life. You want to move forward. तो अगर उसका थोड़ा सा भी हिस्सा emotionally, if you're there like a bit, so when you are with someone new in life, you are emotionally cheating with that person. Cheating does not always mean that you're physically cheating someone. It's also an emotional cheating. If you are even slightly interested or slightly inclined towards the person in the past, you're doing that cheating. And to avoid that, it's very important that you completely shut yourself off from that person. Many of you might not agree with this. Many of you will do. Majority of you will do, I know. But then that's what I think about it. And I highly, highly recommend that the one thing you start off if you want to move on with an unhealthy crush or a relationship is that you just straight away block that person. Because this is something I learned through my YouTube thing, is that take Tanmay Bhatt for example. Like personally, I like Tanmay Bhatt ke vlogs, but I do not like Tanmay Bhatt ke games when he plays the games and all. So even if I don't like his like gameplay, do you think Tanmay Bhatt gives a fuck about it? No, because there are like lots of people in this world who will watch his videos. Similarly, even if you block one person from your life, there are many people in this universe who are there for you as a friend, could be as a potential relationship partner, whatever. But it's not the end of the world. यही मैं समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. So it's actually better that you just fucking move on. I know कहना आसान है, but the first step that can be initiated is when you block that person, and that really, really helps. The idea behind this video is that when I see other people, some friends of mine, जो ऐसे फंसे हुए हैं कहीं टॉक्सिक प्लेस में, कहना बहुत आसान है. I have been there, I've done that, but removing them would be the best thing to do, because Also, ये बहुत shallow बात लगेगी, but I feel like the idea where you might think that I am feeling so miserable in life, but the other person is not. She or he seems to be fine. That also sort of kills you from inside, let's be honest. So to get rid of that, to start a new journey of your life altogether, it's very important that you just block them, let them live their life, and you live your life, because it's also sometimes unfair to the other person as well, where you might end up texting someone is in that person. You might end up replying to the story in the hope of getting attention someday, कि किसी दिन तो I'll get the reply, and things might just repair, which is beyond to be repaired now. मैं भी रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ तो बारिश हो रही है बाहर, so काफ़ी माहौल भी it's like very much in sync, sad, gloomy. That's how life is like. You meet people, you do not probably at times sync with them, you do not collide properly, if that's the right term, but then you part ways, then you move on, and life has a lot to offer. We always understand this. Like in this COVID time, there's so many people who are dying. Doesn't mean that world will end for them. There'll be no new avenues like all the time, and that's what you should also strive for. And that'll be my takeaway from this video. I hope you got my point, is that if you ask me, it's just way better to block them and just move on with life.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.